Hi, Miss Huddle.
Mrs. Sexton, did you just park your horse?
Yes, I did.
How was your day?
It was amazing. We had such a good time.
Dun 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 dun, we have a special guest.
We do have a special guest. Everyone say hi to Ethan.
Hi, Ethan.
Ethan, say hi to everyone.
Hi.
All right, and this problem's about you, Ethan, so do you want to read it?
Ethan bought Legos and a 3DS. The Legos cost $48 and the 3DS cost 5 times as much. How much does the 3DS cost?
Okay.
Ethan, you've been saving up some money and going shopping. You must do those chores.
So, Ethan, if I want to start this problem with drawing a bar model, do I draw 1 bar model or 2 for this one? How many bars do I draw?
1.
Are you sure?
2.
Yeah, 2. Why do I draw 2? Because there's 1 for the Lego set.
1 for the 3DS.
Oh, because they're
Good.
two
Which
separate
one's
things.
bigger?
The 3DS.
3DS is going to be bigger, so I'll draw the Lego one small. And how much bigger is the 3DS?
5 times as.
5
Okay.
times, so there's 1, 2,
Oh, sorry,
3,
Mario.
4. Oh! We'll just draw on top of Mario.
Sorry,
Fine.
Mario.
All right, so there's the 3DS. All right, so Ethan, do I know the value of any of those bars?
Yes.
What do I know?
The Legos cost $48.
Good. Do I know the value of the DS yet?
No.
No, so that's what I'm trying to find. But do I know how much each section is?
Yes.
How much is each section?
$48.
$48.
Wow.
So, Ethan, what operation would you use to solve this problem and figure out the value of the DS?
Multiplication.
Very good. So, we're going to do, what's our multiplication problem?
48 times 5.
48 times 5. Tell me how to do this problem.
So 8 times 5 is 40.
Can I write 40?
No, so you have to put the 0 in the ones place and the 4 in the tens place.
Yeah, because that's 4 tens. Okay, now what do I do?
You times the 4 and 5. 4 times 5 is 20.
Are we talking about 21s, 2010s?
20 tens.
2010s. Okay.
And since there's another 4, you have to add that.
Okay.
So 20 plus 4 equals 24.
Perfect. So I have 24 tens. Can I write it like that?
Yes.
Yes, I can because it's the highest
No
place.
place.
Okay. Am I done?
No.
What do I need to do next?
You have to add the Legos.
Wait, are
and
you
the-
sure? This just says how much does the DS cost.
No.
Am I done?
No.
What do I need to do?
You have to write a sentence.
All right. So what's my sentence supposed to say?
The 3DS costs $240.
Perfect.
Ethan, is that a good price or is that way too expensive for a 3DS?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Well, we could research, but man, I'm proud of you for saving up your money. And doing great math. Way to go.
Yeah. All right. Well, now Ethan told me I wasn't done because he knew a secret, Miss Huddle.
What's the secret?
He knew that there's another part to this math problem. So
Dun,
should we
dun,
look
dun,
at the second
dun.
part?
I would love to.
Okay. All right. So Ethan, read us the second part of our problem.
How much did Ethan spend all together?
Okay. What operation do I have to use for that?
Addition.
Addition, because I'm wanting to find how much the Legos and the 3DS cost, right? So I need to find that number right there, and I'm going to do it by adding. What's my addition problem?
240 plus 48.
240 plus 48. Do you see an easy way we could get that one done?
Yes.
Tell us how to solve that.
Because 8 plus 0 equals 8. So it's 8 at the end.
Okay.
And 4 plus 4, as we all know, is 8.
What does that really mean, though? 8 ones, 8 tens,
10s.
8 tens in the tens place. Okay.
And then there's no hundreds in 48. So it's just a 2.
So 288. Am I done?
No.
Why not?
You still have to write the sentence.
Oh, tell me what to write.
Ethan did $288.
Ethan spent $288. Wow, that's a pretty good price for a DS and a Lego.
A Lego set? Wow.
Yeah. A Lego
Especially
set.
since he paid a little bit too much for the DS, maybe it came with a free Mario game.
Oh, that'd be really cool.
Whoa,
All right.
good shopping, Ethan.
Okay, well, Ethan, thanks so much for helping us out. That was super fun.
Ethan, high five. Giving Ethan high five.
Well, I guess you're going to get an Ethan high five tomorrow if you solve this problem. All right. Have a good night, third graders. Practice these kinds of problems so you'll be ready for your test. Hey, when's our test?
Tomorrow.
All right.
Get ready.
Get ready. Miss Huddle, it's been a really long day
Yeah.
because we had a field trip today.
Yes.
And so I need your help. I can't think of this problem.
I would love to.
This is like a challenge problem, so there won't be one on our test like this that you have to do, but there will be an extra credit problem on our
Woo!
test that looks a lot like this.
I hope it's as much fun as eating pickles.
Maybe.
There's nothing sweeter than a dill pickle.
You know, some people don't like pickles, I learned today when I handed out 104 of them.
Did you really?
Probably not, but it seems like a lot.
Well, I tried, but I didn't hand out as many as you.
Are you sure?
I don't know.
Okay,
Let's find out.
Mrs. Sexton handed out 104 pickles. She handed out 4 times as many pickles as Miss Huddle. How many more pickles did Mrs. Sexton hand out than Miss Huddle?
Let's find out.
Why did you put that picture there?
Well, Miss Sexton, look, there is a light and sound experiment we can do with pickles.
Oh, that's
How cool is that?
Really cool. I can't wait for that.
Oh, man, these just look so crisp and delicious.
They do. I'm kind of sad I gave away my whole jar, but glad that other people could enjoy those really great vitamins.
You know, back in the day, they ate their vitamins that way. They didn't have tablets. They ate their pickles instead of their vitamins.
I think I would have liked that.
I would take that any day.
All right.
So
how do I do this?
Well, here's the thing. I'd like to draw a bar model, and then I'd like to figure out what operation we're doing. How come it just turned to silent? Oh, boy. Pardon us, we're having some technical pickle issues. All right, well, we need to find out if Miss Sexton or Miss Huddle handed out more pickles. Okay, so what I know for a fact is that Miss Sexton's bar model, okay, we know that she handed out 104 pickles.
Wow.
Yeah.
No wonder I'm so tired.
That's right. You were handing out pickles all day. But you handed out 4 times as many as I did.
I did.
Yeah. So 4 times as many. Do you know what that means?
What does that mean?
That means that the amount of pickles I handed out, the amount of pickles I handed out was only 1 fraction of the amount of pickles you handed out.
Yes.
So what we need to do is, what do we need to do?
Yours. Oh, mine's 4 times bigger. So
Yours is 4 times bigger.
yours is. If I. Oh, I minus.
You could do repeated subtraction, but you know what might be easier?
What?
What's the opposite of multiplication? What's the opposite of times?
Division.
Division.
I know that.
So what we can do, Miss Sexton, is we can say that since you handed out 4 times as many pickles as me, that means that 104 divided by 4 is the number of pickles I was able to hand out.
Oh, okay.
Does that make sense?
I could do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, Miss Sexton, how many well, first of all, if we go to start to divide 104 in 4 groups, okay, we can't quite sing that with our 4 song because our 4 song doesn't go that high yet. So I have to do 104 into 4 equal groups. Okay? Can I make an equal group of 4 from 1?
No.
Let's make it, how many equal groups of 4 are there in the number 10?
2.
2 equal groups. And when we have 2 equal groups of 4, how many do we have?
8.
What's 10 equal groups minus 8?
2.
2 equal groups? That's right. Let's see if we can make more room, can we?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now, we can't just leave this. We have to divide into the whole number of pickles, okay? So we have not yet dealt with our ones place pickles. So we're going to add those to our tens place pickles. How many equal groups of 4 pickles can you fit into 24 pickles? How many equal groups of 4?
24, if I'm making equal groups of 4, can I count by 4s? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 6.
6 equal groups.
Oh, it equals exactly 24, Miss Huddle, so there's no remainder.
I don't have any remaining
good.
pickles, so Mrs.
Oh, man, that
Sexton,
means you don't have any pickles left over for me.
well, I'll bring you some more later when we do our pickle experiment.
Ooh, I can't wait.
Miss Sexton, how many pickles was Miss Huddle able to hand out?
26.
26
All right,
pickles.
can I go home and take a nap now?
Yeah, but first I have to write a sentence, Miss
You have to finish the problem.
Huddle. What do you mean? Gave 26 pickles. Ooh, that's hard to write with that pen. Pickles out.
Well, Miss Huddle, I am so excited to
No, I
know
see.
how many pickles you handed out, but I think we need to do one more step.
I think you're right. Because the problem completed says, how many more pickles did Miss Sexton hand out than Miss Huddle? So we know that Miss Sexton has 104. Miss Huddle has 26.
So we have to subtract.
Let's do that.
To find the difference.
Whoa, look at that. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness sakes alive. So we have 100. Oh, gosh. Oh, man. 100. Help me. 1. Oh, no, we don't want to erase. 104 pickles compared with 26 pickles. Miss Sexton, I'm going to start in the ones place. Can I take 6 ones from 4?
No, you have to borrow.
I go next door and ask for more. They don't have any. I go into the hundreds place. I borrow 100, trade it for how many tens?
10.
And I still have not made it over to my ones place yet, so I borrow 110 from the tens place. I have 9 tens. And how many ones?
14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 9 minus 2 is 7.
Oh my goodness.
78 more pickles.
70. So Miss Huddle gave 26 pickles out. Mrs. Sexton handed 78 more pickles. Wow. To students. Good job, Mrs. Sexton.
Good job, Miss Huddle. All right.
That's a good pickle day.
Awesome. Well, we hope you guys had a good time at your field trip, and even if you didn't eat a pickle.
That's right.
Yeah. And we'll see you tomorrow for your math test.
See you tomorrow. Yay!